how to avoid the 5 critical mistakes people make after being stopped for a DWI in Texas. Number 1. Thinking that you're not in a serious situation. If you've been drinking alcohol or are under the influence of drugs, even legally prescribed drugs, and you are pulled over in Texas, you must assume that you will be arrested and taken to jail. Number 2. Being discourteous, arrogant, or belligerent. This is not the time to make smart or even off-the-cuff remarks because everything you say and do is most likely being recorded, and it can and will be used against you in a court of law. Number 3. Believing that you have the right to consult with an attorney while at the scene. You don't, but you can and definitely should consult with a qualified DWI defense attorney as soon as possible after you are arrested and taken into custody. Number 4. Volunteering information or answering certain questions. You are not legally required to answer any questions other than for basic information, such as your name and address, and providing proof of insurance. Police officers are trained to ask seemingly harmless questions such as, "Where are you coming from?" or "Have you been drinking?" You must understand that these types of questions are designed to build a case against you. You should respond to such questions with something like, "Respectfully, I'm not comfortable answering any questions, and if you're going to detain or arrest me, I would like to consult with an attorney before saying anything further." Number 5. Agreeing to take any kind of field sobriety test. First, the interpretation of certain field sobriety tests is subjective, meaning it's up to the officer to decide if you passed or failed. Second, if you have been drinking, a breathalyzer test will show some level of alcohol, and even if it's below the legal limit, you may be arrested for DWI nevertheless. Third, it's possible to fail certain physical impairment tests even if you are completely sober. You are not legally required to take any field sobriety test, so respectfully decline to do so. Remember, a DWI arrest is a very serious matter, and a DWI conviction will follow you for the rest of your life. DWI attorney Mac Morris can help you understand your rights and options and will vigorously defend you in court. Call him for a free consultation at 972-673-0083 or visit macmorrislaw.com for more information.